You guys remember the Naked and Famous, the bastard love child of the Paper Plane and the Last Word? Well, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make those drinks that originated such a delicious cocktail. Now, our last video on the Naked and Famous was such a hit that it was only right for us to show you guys how this drink even came to life. So come on down, grab a seat at the bar and get comfortable, and let's create magic, one pour, one stir, and one sip at a time. Welcome back to another episode of the Elixir Lounge. I'm Zach and we're at Galindo's Coffee and Elixirs here in the Woodlands, Texas. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys two cocktails, the Paper Plane and the Last Word, that together originated another drink that we made an episode on called the Naked and Famous. So we're gonna start off with the Last Word. It's a modern classic. It's a very smooth, very refreshing type of drink. The very base of it is gin. And it's not a Last Word if you're not using a very good gin. So the gin that we're gonna be using is called Hendrick's gin. It's got really nice botanical notes to it. It shines on this cocktail here with some of the other flavors. You can really taste it. And so if you're a gin lover, this is a really, really good drink for you to try out. Now, it's also gonna have some other bold flavors, starting with the Green Chartreuse. Green Chartreuse is gonna be bold, herbaceous. It's made with a ton of different spices, and so the flavor profile of this is very, very unique. I mean, you can tell when you're drinking chartreuse, you know it for a fact because it's just a very different type of flavor profile. We're also gonna be using Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur, which is gonna be kind of a cherry flavor. It's gonna add some of the sweetness to it. And then for our citrus, we're gonna be using our Yuzu Juice that we like using for all of our sour cocktails. Now, the Paper Plane, the flavor profile on this is gonna be kind of the other side of the spectrum as the Last Word. It's gonna have a base of whiskey, so we're gonna be using Buffalo Trace here. It's gonna have what's called Amaro as well, and there's different types of Amaro. The one that we're using is Amaro Averna. It's gonna have a sweeter, more kind of caramel type of flavor. Amaro, it's an Italian type of liqueur, and the flavor profiles range completely on this. So with this particular drink, you can kind of try out different things. What we feel works really, really well, and it's kind of the perfect balance, is gonna be using the Amaro Averna here. It's also gonna have Aperol. That's gonna be another bold flavor. It's gonna be very botanical. It's gonna be kind of a bitter type of taste to it, but not in a bad way. It's gonna be just a really nice addition that creates a very unique cocktail because the flavor profile, it's very unique, it's very different. And then for the citrus, we're gonna be using Yuzu Juice as well. So although these two drinks are completely different in flavor profile, they do share similarities in bold flavors, and then the construction of it is gonna be all equal parts. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and make them. So we're gonna start off with the Last Word. We're gonna do equal parts of all of this, so if you guys are following along, it's very easy. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of Green Chartreuse, 3/4 of an ounce of Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur, and 3/4 of an ounce of our Yuzu. All right, now we're gonna do the Paper Plane. Paper Plane is gonna be same thing, equal parts. So we're gonna start off with our Aperol. It's gonna be 3/4 of an ounce. Our Amaro, 3/4 of an ounce. Our whiskey, 3/4 of an ounce as well. And then our citrus, our Yuzu, to finish it out. All right, we're gonna add ice and shake both of these. All right, and then we're gonna double strain into Nick and Nora glasses, both of them chilled. All right, we're gonna start off with the last word. Then we're gonna have our paper plane. Now you can see two different color profiles, two different flavor profiles, but both very, very refreshing. All right, and now the garnishes, the last word gets a Luxardo Maraschino Cherry. And all you're gonna do is drop it in there. And then for the paper plane, well, there's really no other garnish that you should use but an actual paper plane. And so that's what we have here. Just like that. And there we have it. These are gonna be the mommy and the daddy of the Naked and Famous. Paper plane and the last word. Right, now to try these, starting off with the last word. Refreshing. It's got a lot of citrus to it. The gin plays really, really well. It's got layers of flavor to it. You get the citrus up front, then the gin, then the chartreuse, and then the Luxardo Maraschino. It's a really, really interesting drink because as you continue to drink it, you taste all of these flavors just simultaneously. It's super, super good. And now the paper plane. Very smooth as well. You can definitely taste the whiskey in it, but it's very smooth, still really refreshing. You get some of the Aperol, some of the botanicals, some of the floral notes on there as well, but just overall very balanced. It's another type of drink that can come off as kind of layered as well because you get all these different flavor profiles as you continue to drink it. And so very, very good. Now these two, like I mentioned, two different sides of the spectrum, but equally delicious. So that brings us to the end of this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've been following along, you know we release weekly episodes. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so that you're up to date with any episodes and news from the channel. If you guys are experimenting with these drinks, if you guys are trying some of them out, let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you guys. And so until next time, thanks again for watching The Elixir Lounge.